If you are experiencing a verification pending status with SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union regarding your account verification. They may have sent instructions or requests for additional information. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect any necessary documents that may be needed for verification, such as identification, proof of address, or income statements. Having these ready can expedite the process. Step 3. Contact customer service. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit additional information. If customer service requests more information or documents, submit them promptly. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid further delays. Step 5. Monitor your account. After submitting any required information, keep an eye on your account status. Check your email and online banking regularly for updates on your verification status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.